Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. This week I've been working in a small town by the name of Nob Shell in southeast Missouri. It took us 5 days to complete 3 sites due to the weather and lightning nearby. I was able to get some really good footage because Knob Creek is on the shorelines of Table Rock Lake, which this was my first time to see Table Rock Lake, and it's by far an amazing lake. Clear waters, a lot of cliffs, just a beautiful area to be in. A lot of trees, real rocky. I wished I could have spent more time fishing and checking out the lake, but of course I'm here to work. So any off time I get, I try to go out and do some activities and check out the area. I was able to do a little bit of fishing and able to break out the drone and get some lake views. Also get some drone footage of the towers. We had 2 340-foot guide towers that we had to do some PIM hygiene work on. So I was able to get some drone footage. Still trying to work on the drone and sharpen my skills, but I just keep getting better the more I practice. I'll let you guys check it out and hope you enjoy. Just made it here to Table Rock Lake. Staying in our little cabin at the Shell Knob. We got our old school cabin. Check that out. That's definitely in the 80s. No, maybe 70s. But it's cool. Got a full fridge, sink, a little kitchenette. Sleepy Brody. Little road dog I gotta sleep next to. Man, this bathroom looks like straight up overseas bathroom. This bathroom looks like one of those ones you would see the bucket with the water in it. Oh man, we just got one bathroom too.
Oh man.
All 3 of us.
Yeah, man.
Alright, got some fresh ceviche, some guacamole, got a tuna steak, some asparagus, rice, avocado, and some sauce. It's the Filipinos' favorite right here, chicken adobo. Except they use pork most of the time. A pork belly. Brought that fresh watermelon straight from the Oklahoma Chickasha garden. Oh, dang it, dropping it. Eat the heart out. Man, it's so sweet.
If you like charcoaling, once you use a green egg, you won't want to use anything else.
I think this is going to be the spot right here. We just got over here and already getting a lot of bites.
We've already caught about 14. 14.
Alright, I'm using some mealworms. Check it out. See what in my hand.
Looks like a little centipede.
Dude, he is cruising, huh? It's my first time ever fishing with one of these.
You gonna kiss it? Hey.
I could stay like this, forever following you. Just don't get too far, and I'll be right where you are.
Is it recording? Is the red light on?
Just
Show them how you do it on the film. People will be seeing this all over the world. It's going on YouTube. Seeing how Brody cooks. It's the Tower Chef right here.
I just want